Anioma is an Igbo clan, found in present-day Delta State, Nigeria. They encompass the communities which span across the 9 northeastern local government areas of Delta State. They occupy the Delta North Senatorial District, which consists of the Enwani, Oshimili, Aniocha, and Okwani and Idokwa and Ika geographical and linguistic zones of Delta State. Anioma means good land, and it is an acronym, derived from the local government in Delta North District, namely, Aniocha, Ndokwa, Ika and Oshimili. However, MA is added to give the acronym meaning and wholeness. An ancient and industrious nation, Anioma is estimated to have a total population of approximately 1.8 million people. The largest Anioma settlement and urban area is the Delta State Capital Territory, which incorporates the city of Asaba along the Niger, with Opanam and Ibozo and surrounding communities. Geography. The Anioma are located on the floodplains and hills of the West Basin of Niger River, within the present Delta State of Nigeria. It encompasses a land mass of about 6,300 square kilometers. Politically, Anioma is often referred to as Delta North, as against the other peoples known as the Delta South and Delta Central in the same state. Anioma is bounded on the east by Anambra State, southeast by Imo and Rivers States, south by Elsa State, southwest by Isoko, west by Urhobo people, northwest by Edo State and north by Kogi State. Anioma may therefore be regarded as highly contiguous to very many neighbors' ethnic groups. The people have drawn their culture and experiences as a result of line contiguous to numerous other ethnicities and communities, which characterizes Anioma as a relatively peaceful region. There are 25 local government areas in Delta State, and the 9 make up the Anioma region. Aniocha North, Aniocha South, Ika South, Ika Northeast, Idokwa East, Idokwa West, Oshimili North, Oshimili South, Ukwani. Anioma people speak Igbo language with different dialects. These dialects include the Enwani dialect spoken in Ibuzo, Ogwashi Uku, Asaba, parts of Ibodo, Ila, Isili, Idumuje, Onitsha, etc., the Ika dialect, Abo, Umunidi, Owa, etc., with heavy influence from the Bini language. Ukwani Abo dialects of the Ukwani Abo Idoni cluster mostly spoken by the peoples of Idokwa. There are minority Anioma peoples in Edo States of Nigeria, Ibanki, Anambra State, Onitsha, Ozubulu, Obosi, Orefiti, Imo State, Oguta, Rivers State, Udoni, Oba, etc. A tiny minority of Igala exists in Ebu on the border with Edo State and Umuebu in Ukwani. Anioma people can be found in present-day Delta State, Nigeria. They encompass the communities which span across the 9 northeastern local government areas of Delta State. They occupy the Delta North Senatorial District, which consists of the Enwani, Oshimili, Aniocha, and Okwani, Idokwa and Ika geographical and linguistic zones of Delta State. Anioma means good land, and it is an acronym derived from the local government in Delta North District, namely, Aniocha, Idokwa, Ika and Oshimili. However, MA is added to give the acronym meaning and wholeness. However, Major Chukwuma Kaduna Izeogu, who was the first man that led a failed coup d'etat in Nigeria which brought so much hatred on Igbos of Southeast region, leading to the Igbo pogrom, and subsequent Biafran war, was from Okpanam and Anioma town. It's quite disheartening how some of his kinsmen are now denying their Igbo roots, despite making Igbo to look like the bad people in the sight of other Nigerians. Thanks for watching. Please help us by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Turn on your notification icon for more updates like this.